What happens to your body when ginger is eaten every day? 10 proven health benefits. Ever wondered what happens if you eat ginger every single day? We'll reveal 10 science-backed perks like boosting immunity, crushing inflammation, and even revving up your metabolism to help shed stubborn weight. 10 proven health benefits of ginger. Watch till the end. Don't scroll away, your health upgrade starts right now. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more health benefit tips like this in the future. Your health will thank you for it. Today we're diving into the incredible world of ginger. This root is not just a spice, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that you might not be aware of. This unassuming root packs a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its ability to boost your immune system, ginger is truly a wonder. For centuries, ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine, revered for its potent healing properties. Ancient cultures used it to treat a variety of ailments, and modern science is now catching up to these age-old practices. From soothing an upset stomach to potentially warding off chronic diseases, ginger's benefits are vast. It's known to help with nausea, especially morning sickness, and chemotherapy-induced nausea. Ginger's versatility is truly remarkable. You can use it in teas, soups, and even desserts. Its unique flavor adds a zing to your dishes while providing numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets of this superfood, exploring 10 scientifically backed health benefits of incorporating ginger into your daily routine. Researchers have found that ginger can help reduce muscle pain and soreness, making it a great addition to your post-workout routine. It also has powerful anti-diabetic properties. Get ready to be amazed by the power of this humble root. Its antioxidant properties can help protect your cells from damage and may even slow down the aging process. We'll delve into how ginger can revolutionize your digestion, fight inflammation, boost your brain power, and so much more. It's also known to improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Whether you're a ginger enthusiast or just curious about its potential, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from its anti-cancer properties to its ability to fight infections. This video is packed with information that will make you appreciate ginger even more. So, if you're looking to improve your health naturally, ginger is a great place to start. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the incredible world of ginger together. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to incorporate ginger into your daily life and reap its amazing benefits. Benefit number 1. Ginger for digestion and nausea. Let's start with one of ginger's most well-known benefits, its ability to calm an upset stomach. For centuries, ginger has been used as a natural remedy to alleviate various digestive issues. Whether it's a mild stomachache or severe nausea, ginger has been a go-to solution for many cultures around the world. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have powerful anti-nausea effects. These compounds work by interacting with the digestive system to soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. They also help in neutralizing stomach acids, making ginger an effective remedy for heartburn and acid reflux. Feeling queasy? Ginger can be your best friend. Whether you're dealing with nausea from a long car ride, a turbulent flight, or just a bad meal, ginger can provide quick relief. Simply sipping on some ginger tea or chewing a piece of raw ginger can make a significant difference. It's a natural remedy for motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, and even nausea induced by chemotherapy. Pregnant women often find ginger to be a lifesaver during the early months when morning sickness is at its peak. Similarly, cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy can benefit from ginger's soothing properties. Studies have shown that ginger can be as effective as some anti-nausea medications without the unwanted side effects. Researchers have conducted numerous studies to confirm ginger's efficacy, and the results have been promising. Unlike conventional medications, ginger doesn't cause drowsiness or other side effects, making it a safer alternative. Ginger works by speeding up stomach emptying, preventing the buildup of bile in the stomach, and reducing muscle spasms in the digestive tract. This means that food moves more efficiently through your system, reducing the chances of bloating and discomfort. It's like giving your digestive system a gentle nudge to keep things moving smoothly. Incorporate ginger into your diet by sipping on ginger tea, which is not only soothing but also delicious. You can easily make ginger tea at home by boiling fresh ginger slices in water and adding a bit of honey or lemon for extra flavor. Adding fresh ginger to smoothies, which can give your drink a spicy kick and enhance its nutritional value. Ginger pairs well with fruits like pineapple, mango, and banana, making your smoothie both tasty and healthy, or simply chewing on a small piece of ginger after meals. This can help in freshening your breath and aiding digestion. If the taste is too strong, you can also find ginger candies or supplements that offer the same benefits. Your stomach will thank you for it. By incorporating ginger into your daily routine, you can enjoy a happier, healthier digestive system. So next time you feel a bit off, reach for some ginger and experience its amazing benefits. Benefit number 2, ginger's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection. It's your body's way of signaling that something is wrong and needs attention. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on your body, leading to various health issues such as arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. But don't worry, ginger to the rescue. This powerful root is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, thanks to those amazing gingerols and shoggols. These bioactive compounds are what give ginger its incredible health benefits. These compounds work by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, helping to reduce pain and swelling. They essentially act as natural inhibitors, preventing the inflammatory process from spiraling out of control. Ginger has been shown to be particularly beneficial for people with osteoarthritis, a condition characterized by joint pain and inflammation. This is especially important for the elderly, who often suffer from this debilitating condition. Studies have found that ginger extract can significantly reduce pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis of the knee. In fact, some research suggests that ginger can be as effective as conventional pain relief medications, but without the side effects. So if you're looking for a natural way to combat inflammation, look no further than ginger. Whether you add it to your meals, drink it as a tea, or take it as a supplement, incorporating ginger into your daily routine can offer significant health benefits. Embrace the power of ginger and give your body the relief it deserves. Benefit number 3, ginger for blood sugar and heart health. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for overall well-being, and ginger can lend a helping hand. Studies suggest that ginger may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to use glucose more effectively and preventing blood sugar spikes. This is particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. But that's not all. Ginger also promotes heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. High cholesterol and blood pressure are major risk factors for heart disease, so incorporating ginger into your diet can contribute to a healthier heart. Talk about a win-win. Enjoying this so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips like this in the future. Benefit number 4, period pain. Ginger to the rescue. Ladies, listen up. Ginger can be your new best friend during that time of the month. Menstrual cramps got you down? Ginger has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual pain, and for good reason. Its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders in reducing the production of prostaglandins, hormone-like substances that cause uterine contractions and pain. In fact, studies have shown that ginger can be as effective as ibuprofen in relieving menstrual cramps. So ditch the painkillers and reach for some ginger tea or ginger chews instead. Your body will thank you for it. Benefit number 5, ginger's antimicrobial power. In a world filled with harmful bacteria and viruses, it's essential to have a strong defense system. Ginger can help. This powerful root has antimicrobial properties, meaning it can inhibit the growth of certain types of bacteria and viruses. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, has been shown to be effective against a range of bacteria, including those that cause food poisoning and respiratory infections. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for some ginger tea or add fresh ginger to your soups and stir-fries. It might just give your immune system the boost it needs. Benefit number 6, ginger and cancer prevention. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that ginger may play a role in cancer prevention. Gingerol, the powerful compound we keep talking about, has been shown to have anti-cancer properties in laboratory and animal studies. It appears to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce cancer cell death. While these findings are promising, it's important to note that more research is needed to determine ginger's effectiveness in preventing cancer in humans. However, incorporating ginger into a healthy diet certainly can't hurt. Benefit number 7, ginger for cognitive function. Want to keep your mind sharp as a tack? Ginger may be the answer. Studies suggest that ginger can enhance brain function, improving memory, attention, and processing speed. It's believed that ginger's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties protect the brain from age-related damage. Some research even suggests that ginger may help protect against Alzheimer's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder that affects memory and cognitive function. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your brain power, add some ginger to your diet. Benefit number 8, ginger's heart health benefits. We've already touched on ginger's heart-healthy benefits, but let's dive a little deeper. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, and ginger can help lower those pesky cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that ginger extract can reduce total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. This cholesterol-lowering effect is attributed to ginger's ability to inhibit the absorption of cholesterol in the gut and promote its breakdown in the liver. So, if you're looking to improve your heart health, ginger is a delicious and effective addition to your diet. Benefit number 9, ginger for weight loss. Trying to shed a few pounds? Ginger might be your new secret weapon. Ginger has been shown to boost metabolism, helping your body burn more calories at rest. It also helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Studies have shown that ginger can reduce body weight, waist-to-hip ratio, and body mass index, BMI, in overweight and obese individuals. So, add some ginger to your smoothies, teas, or stir-fries and watch those pounds melt away. Benefit number 10, ginger for skin health. Want radiant, youthful-looking skin? Look no further than ginger. Ginger is packed with antioxidants, which protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that contribute to aging, wrinkles, and age spots. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties also help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. So, incorporate ginger into your diet or skincare routine for a healthy, youthful glow. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From soothing nausea to potentially preventing chronic diseases, ginger is truly a powerhouse of health benefits. Incorporating even a small amount of ginger into your daily routine can make a world of difference. Whether you prefer ginger tea, ginger chews, or fresh ginger in your meals, there's a way for everyone to enjoy the benefits of this incredible root. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the amazing benefits of ginger, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Natural Foods, Wonder Healers, for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.